Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today for this video I have Anurag again on my channel. So those who are new to my channel and they don't know, he is Anurag and he's my husband and he is here for the third time. We already have two videos together. So I am going to link them in my description box. So do not forget to check that. I'm gonna leave it here as well. So this video is for my birthday and it is a very fun video. It is who knows better. So we both have some questions for each other that we both don't know, like what these questions are, and we have to answer each other's question. We are not able to count on the points because we are playing this game, so you have to make sure that you are counting those points and let us know in the comment section below who wins. So yeah, let's begin the video. Alright guys,
Yes.
so first question, would you ask or should I start?
Ladies first.
Okay, so first question is, when we are together, what is one thing I love to do? Okay. This is the bang on. This is the correct answer. When we both are together, we love to do chullis. So yeah, you are right. You get 1 point. Next question.
Okay.
2 hours later.
यही होता है जब अपना होमवर्क नहीं करते ना और लास्ट टाइम पर रहा है मैनेज मैंने अपना होमवर्क एक दिन पहले ही करके रखा था.
Okay. So, what do you think about my favorite housework task?
Your favorite housework task? It has to be nothing.
No, there are.
Cleaning bathroom?
Cleaning bathroom.
Washing dishes? You don't enjoy that, no? I lost.
Big basket.
Orders. Oh yeah. Big grocery and thing that he do. Okay, what is my favorite sleeping position?
Inside me.
Inside you, like how? What?
Like your head is on my either side of the shoulder.
Yeah.
What is something that I would never admit to anyone else?
That you farted?
I didn't do it. Raju.
Sometimes, na. So this is correct. Okay, my turn.
Hmm.
How can anyone know that I am angry?
By looking at your face.
Shut up. But it is also when I'm upset. So it is the same. So
Angry. Particular
yeah.
angry.
Yeah, particularly when I'm angry. How do you know that I'm angry?
By looking at your face. Or by getting answers of my anything.
Ulte jawab. When I don't talk. I don't talk that time.
Right.
So you lose.
I lost. What 3 things do I like most about you?
I had this question for you as well.
Okay.
So what was the question?
What is the most 3 things that I like about you?
Okay. It is what you say. It is not what I accept or I am. Okay. Or I believe. So first, that I'm innocent. Don't laugh. You say always.
No, I say, but
okay?
I'm just laughing at that. Why don't you admit that?
Yeah, I don't know. Okay. So 3 things. First is that I'm innocent. Second is I am very pure and straightforward kind.
Will you please elaborate?
Like if I don't like anything, even if it is about my mom, if it is about anyone else, if it is about you also, I just say it.
That's the only thing straightforward.
So I'm just elaborating that thing. Okay, third, me doing strange things.
हंगामा हो गया है हंगामा.
You allow me to bite.
Yes, I allow you to bite. I don't know what's wrong.
The very first thing that I like to do as soon as I wake up.
You come inside me. Instagram.
Okay. So you lose. The very first thing that I do once I wake up is
Open eyes.
no.
Then
I go to the washroom.
what is my favorite breakfast meal?
नमक अजवाइन की रोटी विद जैम. That I know. Huh?
You want?
You ate this morning only.
नमक अजवाइन की रोटी, like plain and सादा सा बंदा ही है. नमक अजवाइन की रोटी, ऊपर घर का बटर and with jam. He loves that.
What do you think is my weakness and my strength?
Your weakness, whenever you, angry on someone, the very next moment you are polite to them. Okay.
Yeah, that's
This-
my
this
weakness.
Is weakness, because if you yell on someone and the very next minute you say, why you did that?
Yeah.
Okay. This is your first weakness, and your
Strength.
Your strength is your like basics.
That was not the answer, but now when you said that, I think yes, I am very much onto my basics. Like, if I know something,
I never
know
won.
it right.
Exactly.
Yes,
I never won. There was
he
there
can never win
exactly,
on that,
exactly.
because if I know something, it has to be 100% true.
100%. Even if it is a
always.
pronunciation, even it's like
Yes.
meaning of any word, or even if that place, or
Yeah.
even that time. Like if you say what was happened during the Akbar, what was the year, she knew it.
Yeah, that's my strength. I thought my strength. I thought it's
See,
you.
I know you better.
Yeah, but I thought it's you, my strength. But yeah, you are also my strength. But
Yeah.
yes, I forgot about that.
Exactly.
My basics are very strong. Which habit of yours irritates me?
I don't wake up when you ask me to.
Exactly. Like, there are a lot of things related to this thing only. Let me tell you, because I think you don't know about this, that this thing irritates me. Like, I have to, and I always am behind you. I'm always behind you. Wake up, we have to go for a run. Brush your teeth. I have green tea. Okay. Then I have to tell you, go and bath. Breakfast is ready. Come and eat. Breakfast is there on the table. So, I have to tell you these little things. You are like kind of lazy that you love to be on couch with your phone every time. So this thing
So-
irritates me. You're very slow in these process. But you don't wake up here. You let me go alone for running.
That's
He let me go alone. You go alone. Go and run.
run.
Dum 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 dum.
Which movie I can see n number of times?
Zindagi milegi na
Correct,
dobara.
correct,
Yes,
correct.
yes. We both love that movie.
Yeah. Zindagi na Milal Dobaara, I can see it n number of times.
N number of times, yes. Lovely movie. So, what is the thing, according to you, that I adore in you?
Like I respect you a lot.
But I know, but this is not the answer.
I don't know what exactly or at that point I do, You are at
So you
some-
lose?
Yeah, I lost.
Okay.
Not that.
I have to think. No, I know. I know you are always with me. This is the
Exactly.
thing I adore. Like, you support me in
Exactly.
everything.
I was about to tell you that.
Yeah.
So whatever you say, I just
Whatever I want to do, whatever
Yeah.
I want to eat, whatever I want
I
to
say
wear.
yes. I say yes.
Yeah, so that is
This
the
is
thing I
answer.
adore in you.
I
yeah.
say yes. To you. I had my mind, but that's
And you always support me no matter who is in front. Biggest relationship deal breaker for me. Like, when I was getting married to you, what is the thing, like a particular thing that forced me to marry you?
forced you to marry.
Forced, I mean, which is like, now I can't leave this guy.
I can't say that place doesn't matter to you. I mean, I know about you. That what is a deal breaker for me? You were a science student. That's my deal breaker.
Yeah, that was the reason you married me, because I had interest in science and I
Knowledgeable
had
stuff.
good knowledge about some stuff. So
That
the
was-
intelligent,
Intelligence, that
yeah,
was one of the only
that
point I asked.
attracted you. Yeah.
No sense.
No sense. Okay, so I tell you.
Uh,
Your words, you have a really good hold on your words that you can convince anybody, that you can convince someone with anything. Like, you remember the time, like the very first time me and my family visited this place, like Bangalore, to see whether I am able to, adjust
Understood.
here. So the day I came here, I
He
was.
wasn't liking the place.
Yeah, I
and,
didn't like the place, and I was like so confused.
Negative.
Is this like good or not? Like, I have to spend my whole life here in Bangalore, so yeah, I was very low. Like, I was feeling very low, and I called him. I said I'm not liking the place. I'm not getting that vibe, so I don't think it is going to work. I was like that straight to him, and then I was 1.5 hours away from him, and I didn't knew he came like next to the building, and he was talking to me over phone, and he somehow convinced me about the place.
Even I don't remember that what I said that time.
Yeah, even I don't remember what you said, but you convinced me. So I really like that effort that you came, and like you talked to me for about 2 hours. Like, it was 12 at night, 12 or I think 1. And you came that late, and you talked to me standing there only, like for 2 hours. He was standing there, I was standing on the terrace, so it was like very filmy kind of thing that happened. But yeah, that time I decided, no, he's the right guy, I want to marry him.
Now I got that. Even I didn't know about before. I am pretty sure that you know this answer.
Okay.
What is my biggest regret?
Your biggest regret? That one second, I know this.
Is you know this.
Mechanical instead of CS.
Exactly.
Yeah,
I am a computer guy.
yeah,
I
you are
did
a computer guy, and you did
No, I
mechanicals.
regret.
Yes.
No worries.
Which food do I hate to eat?
Yellow dal.
Yeah, you can say that. Like, I hate to eat dal, roti, like every time dal, roti. Yeah, I don't. When I am not allowed to eat dal roti, I want to eat dal roti. But when I am allowed to eat dal roti, every time, and I'm like, I can't eat it. So yeah, dal roti, I can't eat.
So what do you think, like, when I get most happy?
When you are most happy?
When?
Me being around you with a plate of nachos and salsa made by me.
Exactly.
Seriously?
And watching
Yeah.
a TV.
Yeah, he loves
I love
salsa
that.
when
I
I
love that.
make salsa. Okay guys, so that's it with this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching us together. And if you have any other recommendation for another video, then please let us know in the comment section below. Also comment who won, like who got more points. So yeah, and I will see you in my next video.